Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Okay, so let me be honest. Today I have had an absolute disastrous day. I'm trying to get a video done for Sunday, and I've tried 3 different approaches now to do a new technique I'm trying, and for some reason everyone just seems to mess up. Now I'm not going to give up with it, but what I am going to do is give up for today. So just to have a bit of fun for myself and to be able to do another video, I'm going to do what I very, very rarely do, and that's almost like a traditional resin pour and see how it comes out. I'm not sure why it's going wrong my other things, but I need to do this for me too. So please enjoy this video and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a minute. So, after having such a bad day, as I explained in the introduction, with what I'm doing with my resin, and I will put the pictures up of how it's come out. I mean, some of them look okay, but they're not what I was looking for. So, after having such a bad day, I'm going to be doing something that I never really do, and that's just a pour. Now, the colours I'm using are antique gold, a very pale blue, a midnight blue, and a yellow with yellow mica in. Now, they've all got mica in, including the midnight blue that wasn't supposed to have mica in, because I put yellow mica in it by mistake. So the day isn't getting any better. So let's just get this on here. With that. I do love this antique metallic gold. It does look good. I'll put quite a bit heavier in there, a bit through there. Oh, it needs a bit more there. As you can see, it's quite full of bubbles. Here's my yellow. As well. I'm hoping this just isn't going to turn out into a big pory mess. But who knows. And this is one of my MDF boards that I've primed and prepared. If you want to see how I do that, then there's a video. If you tap the link above, then you'll see that how I prepare them. Now that does work out normally really well for me, how I prepare them, and it gives me some easy boards to work on. And what I tend to do is I tend to prepare quite a few of them at once, and then I use them as I need them. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking now because I'm going to use the air gun, so please enjoy this music. Okay, so there's some areas where I feel that I need a bit more colour. I want a bit more colour going through there, like so. I definitely want a bit more of this yellow going through here. like so. And let's use up a nice bit of this gold as well. Do you like this gold? I love this gold. Okay, a bit more gold there. A bit more gold in here. And a bit more gold there. It's popped up there. Okay, once again, air gun. Please enjoy this music. Don't know what that is. This fell on there. But it shouldn't be there. Get off. Get off! Okay, I'm just going to put a bit more of this midnight blue that's slightly mixed with some yellow resin. Oh, the runoff from this is absolutely delicious. And there we go. Just a regular pour. I'm actually, oh, this runoff is looking absolutely amazing. It's making a mess. It's looking amazing. I'm just going round and covering, make sure it covers all the edges of my board. And there we go. One pour. Do you know, I'm actually really loving that. I loves it. And it just goes to show anyone can have a bad day. And you'll see the bad pictures in this video. But don't let that stop you. Just keep going. Do something nice and easy and simple. And you can love the picture. And this is producing some great cells. It's got a nice colour combination. I'm really, really quite happy with that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. Because I've not enjoyed the day immensely today, I have to be honest. Because of the complete balls up that I made. I said balls up. Because of the complete mess up I made earlier. But hopefully now I've redeemed myself. So we'll come back to this in probably 4 hours to see how it's dried. But I think it looks great. I really love it. I love it. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon. So it's dry now. I have to say, I'm really, really pleased with it. I will zoom in on it. I actually loves it. And I'm so pleased actually I did it, because it's kind of, when you have a couple of disasters, there's nothing worse than thinking, oh my goodness, nothing's going to go right again, ever again for me. So I'm actually really pleased I did it. Now, one of the disasters I think has come out quite well, and I've already showed you that one. The other one I'm not so keen on, and I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure if there was too much humidity in this room at one point, or whether I used too much alcohol. Well, I didn't use any alcohol, so it can't be that. So I don't know why, but I love this. I think it's celled up beautifully. I think the colours have come through, and where I used the heat gun to blow it through the corners, I love the way it started to bend and curl round there. So please let me know in the comments what you think, and tell me about any disasters you've had and how you have overcome them. Thank you very much. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.